All right, next up, we got Thai Silver Chrysanthemum Mine to Thai Silver Chrysanthemum. 2 cakes, 1 shot. Okay, those were not the same 2 cakes, but we're going to find the other one somewhere here. Let's go into number 3, Lemon Mine, Blue Mine to Gold Chrysanthemum. Next, we got S-shaped golden blue waterfall, gold willow with blue peony. 100 shots each here, cake. Okay, next, number 5, Thai Silver Chrysanthemum. Mine to Thai Silver Chrysanthemum. 100 shots. Next we have a 120 shot butterfly, green strobe mine, lemon to purple blue mine. Very, very nice. Okay, next we have another 120 shot fan, green strobe whirlwind, 2 sides, Thai Silver Chrysanthemum in the middle. Even better. Next, another 120 shot, Time Rain Willow, green, blue, green. Okay, next, another 120 shot W cake, red spider, brocade chrysanthemum to red, green, blue with chrysanthemum 2 sides. God, these cakes are so good, I think I'm going to pass out. Here we go, next, 150 shot fan. 5 angles cross set, red, green, yellow, purple, blue cross set. Okay, this next one's the size of a table. It's a 260 shot peacock. Gold strobe mine, red, green, blue, yellow, purple mine. Okay, I think half of the one didn't go, but that's okay. Let's go on to the next. 300 shot blue. Gold Time Rain, green, also. gold, and I appreciate you guys sticking around. We're going to move into our 3-inch shells now. Okay, you got one more? Yep, okay. Next up, number 14 is 3-inch. We're going to do 6 of these. So it'll be in 3s. 2 sets of 3. Oh. Next is 6 more, strobe chrysanthemum to blue. Next, strobe chrysanthemum to green. Number 17, purple sago cycas. Now we're going to hit 12 tie salute. This is our signature here. We make the best 3-inch salutes. Now we're going to go into 4-inch. Number 19. These are going to be shot triple smiley face first. Next, red to blue chrysanthemum. Silver wave to blue. Number 10. Number 22, red dahlia white strobe. Number 23, red, white, blue 3 ring. '24, flower crown. Hard to believe those are 4-inch. Number 25, time rain crown. '26, another 5-inch gold wave to red strobe with silver wave. Number 27, 5-inch flower crown. Number 28, blue peony with green palm pistol. That's what I'm talking about. So next, 5-inch gold wave, green butterfly with wave ring. Next 5-inch, Saturn ring purple to green ring pistol, orange to orange strobe ring. Five-inch time rain horsetail, 31. Number 32, red to blue, green, purple double ring. Now we're getting into big boy stuff here. 6-inch, 3 of these, silver rotate ring. Quiet. Next, gold cocoa, green, blue double ring. Next, 6-inch, silver crown. Next, number 36, blue peony with red pistol. Number 37 is our red ghost. 3 of them. Number 38, brocade crown to white strobe with white strobe pistol. Okay, now we're moving on to something kind of unique. We're getting into the 7-inch display shells. These are becoming more and more popular nowadays because you can package these 4 in a case, and they don't take as much room as the 8s, but they are almost as big. So let's check it out. Number 1, 1000 brocade crown to green with red peony and lemon strobe pistol. One of these. Next we have 2 gold willow to red green strobe pistol. Next we're going to shoot 2 pink lemon sea blue peony with white strobe pistol and silver tail. We lost one. Next, we're going to go to the final shell of the night. Blue tip, gold strobe, willow with gold tail. Go ahead and clean it out. Let's see what else we got. Nothing. Good. Okay. Thanks for sticking around, guys. I know it's getting cold out, but I want to give a huge thanks to RKM Fireworks